My name's Carol Morrison. I own Bird's Eye View Farm in Pokamoke, Maryland. We raised chickens under contract for 23 years in the industrial model, and I allowed the filmmakers from Food Inc. to come on the farm and spoke my mind, and our contract was terminated when the movie was released. That was okay because we had reached a point that we had had enough. You know, the environmental issues, the animal welfare issues, there were public health issues with antibiotics. We had reached the point that we just weren't happy anymore. Our poultry house sat empty for 3 years after our contract was terminated. And the brain would start working as I looked at the buildings, and I'm thinking, well, what about eggs? We could do eggs. We don't need any building to process. We can do it right at home. We don't have to worry about that. I had the opportunity to travel around the country. I saw all different kinds of farming. You know, I saw chickens out on pasture, and I thought to myself, well, you know, why can't we do something like that? I guess you could say I went from one end of the spectrum in the industrial way to the total opposite, where we are AWA certified, which is Animal Welfare Approved certified. We like the way we raise the animals. You know, we have happy chickens. They do what they want to do, and they're well taken care of. The type of farming we were going to do, I didn't have a clue. So AWA was able to, you know, show me the standards and say, you know, we can help you with this. They could give suggestions, you know, give us ideas. And that was really helpful to getting things going. You can get all kinds of certifications, and I would say half of them don't mean a thing. It's just confusing for consumers. You know, I like to be able to go out and say, we are AWA certified. I'm finding that at least my customers, they like the animal welfare aspect of the product. I've actually had customers call me on the phone and say, oh, we like the way you're raising your animals. So it's an important thing to me. I'm definitely proud of the way that we, you know, raise them, and I'm proud of our product and would stand behind it anywhere.